Nestled in the lush heart of South America, the great Amazon rainforest opens up like another world. A place where nature reveals its grandeur and miracles in the purest forms. Stepping into this land feels like entering a natural cathedral, where centuries-old trees stretch their arms toward the sky, forming immense green vaults through which only a few beams of light filter, casting a dreamy glow on the forest floor. This is a world that never stands still. The great Amazon River meanders like a silver serpent through the emerald ocean of foliage, nourishing not just the forest, but millions of life forms living within. Here, every tributary, every patch of leaf, every echo from afar plays a meaningful part in the endless cycle of life. The Amazon River, the heart of the rainforest, is not merely a river, but the lifeline of an entire ecological system. Its countless tributaries branch out like veins, carrying water, silt, and sustenance to every hidden corner. Within this immense vitality, the cycle of life unfolds with intricate rhythms. Predators, such as the jaguar, prowl silently beneath the dense canopy, while flocks of parrots, with their vivid plumage, soar across the sky, painting vibrant streaks of color. This world is built on a delicate equilibrium. Every creature, from the tiniest insect to the most formidable predator, holds a crucial place within the sophisticated web of life. Yet Amazon is not a paradise without hardships. Behind the splendor lies a constant struggle for survival. Snakes with extraordinary camouflage and tiny but deadly poisonous frogs are a regular part of this world. Each step demands vigilance. Every glance could mean the difference between life and death. But it is here that we also witness some of evolution's greatest miracles. Creatures have adapted to the harshest conditions in marvelous ways. The nimble monkeys dart from branch to branch, while the sloths defy the urgent pace of jungle life with their strangely slow movements, each finding a unique strategy to survive and contribute to the grand symphony of life. The Amazon is not merely a shelter for millions of species. It is a living testament to the laws of balance, interconnection, and the coexistence of strength and fragility at the heart of nature. Venturing deeper into the forest, we meet one of the Amazon's most awe-inspiring creatures, the king vulture. With a wingspan stretching up to 2 meters and vivid plumage in hues of red and yellow, the king vulture is not just visually striking, but plays an indispensable role in maintaining the ecosystem's health, scavenging carcasses, preventing the spread of disease, and preserving cleanliness in the forest. Nearby, moving with a ghostly grace, the jaguar, the largest feline in the Americas, silently prowls the thick undergrowth. Its golden fur adorned with black rosettes allows it to blend seamlessly into the shifting shadows of the trees. A master hunter both on land and in water, the jaguar embodies the raw, untamed strength of the Amazon rainforest. Among the towering canopy, toucans with their long, colorful bills flit from tree to tree. Their spectacular bills, often as long as half their bodies, are not mere decoration. They serve a crucial purpose, allowing toucans to pluck fruits inaccessible to many other animals. thus playing an essential role in seed dispersal and forest regeneration. In the shimmering heights above, flocks of scarlet macaws slice through the air like living rainbows. Their vivid red, yellow, and blue plumage illuminates the forest sky. Beyond their beauty, these parrots perform vital ecological services. During their long flight searching for clay deposits rich in essential minerals, they help spread seeds and maintain plant diversity. Macaws are known for forming lifelong monogamous pairs, a symbol of loyalty and enduring bonds amidst the vast wilderness. Beneath the dense forest layers, an unseen army is hard at work: leafcutter ants. Armed with powerful jaws, they cut and carry pieces of leaves back to their nests. Yet they do not consume these leaves directly. Instead, they cultivate fungi upon them, which becomes the primary food source for their vast colonies. This intricate system of farming, perfected over millions of years, stands as a profound testament to cooperation and adaptation in nature. Elsewhere, larger creatures roam. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, graze warily along riverbanks, always alert to predators. Meanwhile, the pink river dolphins, known locally as botos, glide gracefully beneath the water's surface, navigating through submerged trees with astonishing agility. Thus unfolds the opening chapters of the Amazon's eternal story, a magnificent interweaving of life, where every breath, every ripple, and every movement contributes to an endless, miraculous cycle. Beneath the muddy, swirling surface of the mighty Amazon River lies another world, wild, mysterious, and brimming with life. In these shadowy waters, where sunlight struggles to penetrate the silt-heavy depths, extraordinary creatures thrive, each uniquely adapted to the enigmatic aquatic environment. One of the grandest inhabitants of this submerged world is the pirarucu, the largest freshwater fish in the world. With a body length surpassing 3 meters and a weight exceeding 200 kilograms, the pirarucu appears as a living relic of prehistoric times. Its massive, gleaming scales, shimmering in hues of silver and red, move gracefully beneath the surface, like a silent titan of the river. However, the pirarucu faces serious threats from overfishing and habitat destruction. In recent years, conservation programs have been established to protect this majestic species, whose survival is deeply intertwined with the resilience of the Amazon ecosystem itself. Nearby, gliding almost imperceptibly through the murky water, the electric eel lurks. This remarkable creature possesses the ability to generate electric shocks up to 850 volts, a biological marvel that it uses for hunting and self-defense. With a sudden discharge, it can stun or kill prey instantly, making it one of the most formidable predators in these waters. Meanwhile, hidden in calmer backwaters, the notorious piranhas bide their time. Though they have long been feared as ruthless killers, the truth about piranhas is more nuanced. While some species are indeed aggressive, many feed primarily on fruits and seeds that fall into the river from the overhanging forest. Nonetheless, when food is scarce, their collective feeding frenzies can be both swift and merciless, stripping prey to the bone within minutes. Along the muddy riverbanks, another formidable predator patiently awaits: the black caiman. This massive reptile, capable of reaching 6 meters in length, silently floats just beneath the water's surface. With jaws capable of exerting enough pressure to crush bone, the black caiman is a dominant force among Amazonian predators, striking swiftly at unsuspecting prey that ventures too close. Yet the true master of stealth among Amazonian predators is the anaconda. Growing over 6 meters long and weighing hundreds of kilograms, the anaconda does not kill its prey with venom, but with overwhelming strength. Once it coils its muscular body around its victim, it squeezes with relentless force until life ebbs away, then drags the lifeless body into the water to consume it at leisure. In the Amazon, every creature, from the towering pirarucu to the lurking electric eel, the nimble piranhas, the stealthy black caiman, and the powerful anaconda, plays a crucial role in maintaining the endless cycle of life and death. As the river overflows its banks during the rainy season, an entirely new world emerges: the flooded forests known locally as varzias. Here, the boundary between land and water blurs. Trees seem to float, their trunks submerged, their branches dripping with life. Floating serenely among these submerged forests are the colossal leaves of the Victoria regia water lily. With their vast diameter, sometimes exceeding 3 meters, they can support the weight of small birds perched upon them. The sight of these giant lilies turning the water surface into a living green tapestry is a wonder to behold. But the Victoria regia offers more than mere spectacle. Each evening, its blossoms open, releasing a sweet fragrance that attracts nocturnal pollinators. By dawn, the petals change color and close, completing a magical, silent cycle of life that echoes the rhythm of the forest itself. Beneath the water's surface, an unseen drama continues. The pink river dolphins, or batos, glide gracefully among submerged roots and branches. Their flexible necks and supple bodies allow them to maneuver effortlessly through the maze of flooded trees, using echolocation to hunt fish and navigate the murky waters. In quieter stretches of the river, manatees, gentle giants of the Amazon, graze on aquatic vegetation. Their slow movements and peaceful demeanor belies their critical role in maintaining the balance of plant life in the aquatic ecosystem. Hidden in the murky depths, black caimans and anacondas continue their silent patrols, ever watchful for opportunities to feed. Occasionally, the surface is broken by the massive form of an arapaima, gasping for air, its armor-like scales glinting momentarily before disappearing back into the deep. Amid this watery kingdom, even the feared piranhas serve a purpose. By scavenging dead and dying animals, they help cleanse the waters, ensuring that life can continue to flourish. Every creature, Every plant, every droplet of water in the Amazon's vast aquatic realm contributes to an intricate, delicate balance. And yet, this magnificent ecosystem teeters on the brink, threatened by human activities, environmental degradation, and the creeping advance of climate change. To protect the rivers of the Amazon is to protect the lifeblood of the forest and the future of life itself. Above the shadowy waters and tangled roots, life flourishes amid the towering trees and lush canopies of the Amazon. In this vibrant yet unforgiving environment, creatures of astonishing diversity have evolved, each perfectly adapted to their unique niches. Among the high branches, a creature unlike any other moves with deliberate slowness. The three-toed sloth. With its shaggy brown-gray fur and large, gentle eyes, the sloth seems untouched by the frenetic pace of the surrounding world. Every movement is slow and measured, as if savoring every fleeting moment of existence. Yet this seemingly lethargic lifestyle is a brilliant survival strategy. By moving so slowly, the sloth avoids attracting the attention of predators. It conserves precious energy in an environment where food is not always abundant. Spending most of its life suspended from branches, feeding on tender leaves, the sloth descends to the ground only occasionally, sometimes as rarely as once a week, to defecate. However, this tranquility is under constant threat from one of the Amazon's most formidable predators, the harpy eagle. With a wingspan reaching 2 meters, powerful talons larger than a human hand, and unparalleled vision, the harpy eagle can spot a sloth amid dense foliage from high above, swooping down with lethal precision. The harpy eagle, the most powerful bird of prey in the Amazon, reigns supreme at the top of the food chain. From lofty perches, it surveys its domain, its keen eyes detecting even the slightest movement amid the thick jungle canopy. A single strike from the harpy eagle can mean instant death for its prey. Not far from the sloth's treetop refuges, another group of creatures displays a different kind of agility: the spider monkeys. With their extraordinarily long limbs and prehensile tails, spider monkeys are true acrobats of the forest, swinging effortlessly from branch to branch. Their dynamic movement through the treetops helps them escape predators and search for fruits, flowers, and insects. Spider monkeys are highly social animals, living in cohesive groups that rely on complex communication systems. Loud calls, shrieks, grunts, and intricate body language maintain the cohesion of their bands. Their strong social bonds help protect them against the myriad dangers lurking within the forest shadows. Lower in the understory, a solitary, enigmatic hunter prowls: the giant anteater. With its elongated snout and sticky tongue extending up to 60 centimeters, the giant anteater feasts on thousands of ants and termites daily. Though it lacks teeth, it compensates with incredible efficiency, breaking open insect mounds and lapping up its prey at astonishing speed. Despite its peaceful disposition, the giant anteater can become a formidable opponent when threatened. With massive, razor-sharp claws, it can deliver devastating blows capable of maiming or killing predators, including jaguars, in moments of fierce defense. In the midst of the forest's bustling life, smaller yet vital creatures thrive. Agoutis, quick-footed rodents, scurry across the forest floor, hoarding seeds and inadvertently aiding in the forest's regeneration. By burying seeds throughout the jungle, agoutis play a crucial role in sustaining the biodiversity of the Amazon. As dusk falls and darkness blankets the forest, a new realm awakens. Nocturnal animals emerge, each perfectly attuned to life in the shadows. Ocelots, elusive and stealthy, slink through the undergrowth, hunting small mammals and birds. Their spotted coats provide perfect camouflage among the dappled light and shadow. Night monkeys, the only truly nocturnal primates of the Amazon, venture into the twilight, communicating through soft calls and foraging for fruits. Owls, with their extraordinary night vision and acute hearing, silently patrol the darkness, ready to swoop down upon unsuspecting prey. Night in the Amazon is a symphony of subtle sounds. The rustle of leaves, the call of night birds, the quiet splash of a swimming animal. Every creature, large and small, from the sloth to the spider monkey, the giant anteater to the ocelot, is interconnected in the great tapestry of life. Each action, no matter how seemingly insignificant, whether a monkey dropping a fruit, an anteater consuming insects, or a rodent bearing seeds, has rippling effects across the ecosystem. The Amazon is not merely a collection of species, but a living, breathing network where survival depends on the delicate balance of millions of interactions. Above the forest floor and high into the canopy, life pulses with an ancient rhythm. Here, survival demands adaptation, innovation, and resilience. The Amazon rainforest, with its infinite diversity of life, stands as one of the last and greatest bastions of nature's boundless creativity. During the rainy season, when the Amazon's rivers swell beyond their banks, vast expanses of land are submerged under a vast, shimmering expanse of water. In these flooded landscapes, life does not retreat. It adapts and flourishes with astonishing resilience. Amidst the calm surfaces of these waters, the majestic Victoria regia water lilies float, their massive leaves resembling verdant platforms. Spanning up to 3 meters in diameter, these leaves are sturdy enough to support the weight of small birds that alight upon them, transforming the water's surface into a living, green tapestry. But the Victoria regia offers more than just visual splendor. Each night, its blossoms open, releasing a sweet fragrance that beckons nocturnal pollinators. At dawn, the flowers change color, fading from white to pink before closing once again. A daily miracle that reflects the hidden rhythms of the Amazon's watery heart. Beneath these floating wonders, life thrives in secretive abundance. Pink river dolphins, or botos, glide gracefully among submerged trunks and roots. Their flexible necks allow them to twist and turn effortlessly through flooded forests, navigating the maze with remarkable agility. Using sophisticated echolocation, they hunt fish, crustaceans, and even small turtles in the murky waters. Their playful clicks and whistles lend a musical quality to the silent world beneath the water. Nearby, the gentle manatees graze on aquatic vegetation. These rotund, slow-moving herbivores are crucial to maintaining healthy aquatic ecosystems, helping to prevent overgrowth and ensuring that the waterways remain navigable for other species. Yet danger always lurks. Black caimans patrol silently beneath the surface, their eyes just breaking the waterline, always alert for an opportunity to strike. With immense strength and patience, they embody the hidden dangers of these flooded worlds. Moving with an almost supernatural stealth, the immense anacondas slide along riverbanks and through marshes, their powerful coils ready to ambush unsuspecting prey. Unlike venomous snakes, the anaconda relies on pure muscle, wrapping its massive body around its prey and squeezing with crushing force, subduing animals much larger than itself before dragging them into the depths. In the slower waters, the colossal arapaima breaks the surface momentarily to gulp air. Its glistening armored scales flash under the sunlight before it vanishes back into the depths, leaving only ripples as a sign of its passing. Despite their fearsome reputation, even piranhas have a role to play. Scavenging the dead and weak, they act as nature's cleaners, helping to maintain the ecological balance within the river systems. In this vast aquatic kingdom, every organism, plant, animal, and microorganism, contributes to a fragile but vital balance. Yet this balance is increasingly threatened by human activities: pollution, overfishing, deforestation, and the accelerating effects of climate change. To protect the Amazon's waterways is to protect the heartbeat of the rainforest itself, the veins that nourish its countless forms of life, from the towering trees to the tiniest insect. Today, as humanity ventures deeper into the Amazon, the threats loom larger. Deforestation, illegal poaching, and industrial encroachment are pushing many species to the brink of extinction. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem, unraveling millions of years of evolutionary harmony. Protecting the Amazon is not merely about saving the ancient trees or the mythical creatures that dwell within it. It is about preserving a living, breathing system that moderates the Earth's climate, purifies its air and water, and sustains the incredible diversity upon which all life depends. When we stand in the midst of the Amazon, hearing the distant calls of unseen creatures, feeling the pulse of the rivers beneath our feet, we are reminded of a fundamental truth. Nature does not need humanity. Humanity needs nature. Thus, safeguarding the Amazon is not a favor to the planet. It is an act of survival, an investment in the future of all life on Earth. The Amazon rainforest, spanning over 7 million square kilometers, is not only the Earth's giant green lungs, but also one of the planet's most precious biological treasures. Here, life is tightly woven into a complex and delicate network, where each animal, plant, river, or forest floor plays an irreplaceable role. Through the journey to explore the Amazon, we realize that the existence of each small creature, from industrious leaf-cutting ants, slow-moving sloths, soft pink dolphins, to giants like anacondas and pirarucu, is closely linked to the overall fate of the forest. The chain of interactions between species creates a perfect ecological balance, operating according to miraculous natural laws. However, the Amazon is also facing serious challenges: deforestation, overexploitation of resources, climate change, and uncontrolled human expansion. These risks not only threaten each individual living in the forest, but also directly affect the ability to regulate the global climate, to the biodiversity that we, as a part of nature, cannot be separated from.